seriously though, one of the best ways for mental conditioning to build stamina, strength, and endurance is hike. Already 1 mile up. I still got another 2 miles to go before I reach one of the summits. And then it's down on really, really rocky terrain with a backpack in the fall, just after it rained. So it's slippery, it's muddy. It's very difficult to navigate, especially going up. Oh, stairs, that's good. Nature stairs, that's always nice. I got it. Anybody can do this.
1 mile. Pace.
See, I told you it was 1 mile. People don't understand. After doing it for a while, you just know. I don't use GPS. I rely on my brain. The more you rely on your brain, the more useful it becomes. The more you use GPS, the more useful the GPS becomes, but not your brain. You figure it out. All right, I gotta go. 1 mile, soaking wet. Up. I don't know what happened to the escalators. I think they took them out. It's okay. I got this.